Do versus make. Do the dishes. Do your best. Do a business. Do the laundry. Make. Make the bed. Make a choice. Make a comment. Make friends. Make a mistake. We use the word make when we produce something new. Don't be. Don't be sensitive. Don't be jealous. Don't be weird. Don't be stingy. Don't be rude. Don't be shy. Don't be selfish. Don't be long. Don't be mean. Make. Make trouble. Make furniture. Make a noise. Make a mess. Make a point. Make sense. Make a promise. Make a profit. Make progress. Make breakfast. Go. Go downtown. Go north. Go running. Go to. Go to school. Go to jail. Go to America. Go to the. Go to the show. Go to the meeting. Go on. Go on holiday. Go on a trip. Go on an adventure. Have. Have a rest. Have sympathy. Have lunch. Have good time. Have a dream. Have a feeling. Have fun. Have a relationship. Have a haircut. Have a bath. Has to. Have to. Had to. Has to belongs to she or he. He has to go. She has to eat. He has to come. She has to study. He has to listen. Have to belongs to I or we. Means have to used for plural. Have to used for plural. And has to used for singular. I have to eat. We have to sing. I have to go. Had to used for singular. Used for singular. I had to study. He had to go. John had to eat. Out of. Out of step. Out of breath. Out of curiosity. Out of jealousy. Out of practice. Out of respect for. Out of the ordinary. Out of one's mind.